Good morning. So here are my trades today. I got stopped out for the week. Uh, I entered right at the beginning of this news item, which I didn't realize. So I just entered. This looked like a range, and the bias was up. And it looked like it was off my trend line. So you got a second entry right there, but it's not off the trend line. Then you get a bull bar right here. And then it started going lower, and I was like, well, this looks like a range, so I'll just buy. And so I pretty much bought at the bottom, and I didn't even have time to move my target higher in the channel. So I got 4 points off of that, and then I thought maybe the best the bulls would get. I think I entered on a different chart here. No. Oh, yeah. So we get this bull bar here, and so I entered, and now I'm all right. Maybe the chart changed a little bit since last time I opened it. I went above a bull bar here, and I realized shortly after, I was like, I don't think this is going very far. So I got out, got a point, and really I should have ended my day there, but I didn't. Just on simulator after that. Especially, I want to adopt the rule that when the price action's within the overnight highs and lows, I think you got to cap it at like one or two trades. And here, I'm not so disappointed in the trades I took here. This is close to the trend line, and it's a second entry long, but the signal bar, it closed bearish, so, and you got a couple dojis in there, and so I got stopped out pretty quickly on that. Went long above this bar thinking maybe it was a bottom. I don't think that's a terrible idea, because you could be getting in on this. And then so what would it, at that point I think I had like $12. I was up $12, so I lost, let's call it 15, so I was down $3 there. And no, I didn't sell here. Yeah, I bought. Okay. So okay, I bought up here. And unfortunately it I guess at some point $3. I can't imagine that would have put me over the limit, but I guess it did for the week. I probably would have gotten a point out of that. Yeah, nothing crazy. And I had the right idea that prices were gonna bounce, but just a little too early. Let me see it. This looks like a sort of wedge bottom. So I'm not really feeling discouraged. I've been working on my breathing a lot more. Any beginners that may be listening to this, I'm about 4 years and 3 months into this, not profitable still, and I can't begin to emphasize the importance of diaphragmatic breathing, because what it does is it just puts you into a better mental state. And I have a feeling that after a few months of this breathing, I'm going to be, starting to get some break-even months, uh, and eventually profitable months. I think it's just the mindset, and it what it does is it takes you out of fight or flight, and so you're not panicking when you're looking at these charts. So I strongly recommend that to anybody uh, watching. So I hope everyone has a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.